kasa sa akeke unima kankasa biribia wo kasa hwe ni nsunsuanso a kasa na wo kana betimenya say adwumenti ye de antimi anko ye de musienti ye koye. Please don't be talking like that. Ujiri so on be kasa mami hu de me ye nesa me so nko so me so me so.
No, but obai me ma
no see adwumenti
wo da suban bia dia ena nkofo ma nkofo fiu se bia ase wo ye takashi patap obai me na mete show no so enka ma me ma wakwa aba
there be wo kasa na me tine
no o see me say na ma me wakwa aba
no adwumenti you are on my show. You can ask your people. You can ask your people.
You are on my show. You are on my show. Oba me show so
na homa so bi o say me
no homa so say we say bem say oba me show so nti ma me wakwa aba
wo see adwumenti wanti be
say me kan wa so ni nsin ba bi na wo say
bu so bi say o ka say adwumenti e de musienti e ko e so pese be so yi wa no
o ya adwuma Saturday
o pese be yi wa no
no Kwabena o ya adwuma Saturday
o pese be yi wa no
so tuma adwuma o de ama no o ya adwuma Saturday
o mama di ya wenne unim se be yi adwuma be nnan o mama di ya wenne wo na wa be jina ka we a che me wo ya de musienti e ko e musienti ne de ko e
sometimes so much you
I see a lot of people, but I don't. Mama,
I see you, but and then it's not about see you
because you have to stop
because position Omanhene the posture Omanhene they are show no so na pay.
And say next time they be kwa be first be adwuma because me ba na de be me kasentia ne kasentwa I will decide. Please, I will decide.
Joshua Tigo, please. I think that this very segment, you know. So young be because Omanhene Kwabena Asante.
No, do akasa we now the me ba na do. I will decide. So what she said here. My team no. My team mo pa kwanya woman pen kwa mo ma kwanya. Hazakis ladies I saw omu small director. What she say waiting the man. Forgive me. It's a bright day, but just the weekend, I mean, milk masina. But it's a year Dr. Khan.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Believing it to me a big problem for me. I can't believe it because I think 3 weeks back or so, them want to show so. You know, Saturday morning and probably, you know, if I've been, he's a good friend. And he, me still, me say, compare me say Lily. I can't share me say. In fact, to the extent was sending the details of the 9th April.
Lily, get your Foxlex media number. Yeah.
You know.
Share Facebook, Dr. Khan picture na hono. Na Kwabena, Khan minimum way back. What chewa happy hopper. The Mikaya Brana Eco Poncho Ebo Drive. On Happy FM many years ago. So many years ago. Happy for so be program be Omone Biak FM for Abraham or Odano. And after that, no materials course high cry say no attempts at tabura large honum baby said. And Yeshia it didn't come on.
Okay, so sad one. On the 9th of April, in 1 week, you know. Now say the Lily Kane 27th May abkoye you know it's just idea now come say and then how band them difficult but we have to really work ya mabusuane yere ne ma ya momu nyina shedin ya ma nyina also yako and happy adwumaku no mpanyfo nyina no almost ya momu shedin ne yako kese pa. We cannot understand, and I don't think we will understand. The JD said, "Unyaminfa Dr. Khan,
Amen.
We are back to life. Now, the Etienne, Adom.
But what are they fatao?
Mention the phone crowd.
No, Mister What? Kwabena Mister What are they fatao? Me dance in a womb.
Debbie. You see, you jump into conclusions. Oh, Masha the phone dana. Masha the phone dana. But me coming from Mecca. Masha the phone dana. Why all this? I can't cast out the wishes about that time, Papa. And then I'm here with Masha the DFA. But me must tell DFA. No Masha the phone dana.
After we are not fair, I mean,
Cassano, no, Cassano, who's what are you for? Telephone,
I'm coming, can saying. Coming, can say, come now.
And then the idea, a dance. It says the mission be a kama, but another day, a dance.
Okay, Martin. Come now, and no, what are the idea, a dance.
Said the papa one and the bonny, because a dance first you. A dancer said the papa one and the bonny.
Hey, nothing the question was a my cousin a dance on so many
dances. And I said, hey, but we're more, Papa. Say a dancer, and I said, and then come now, a dancer, a dancer,
a fade dear. Ah, but oh, yeah, you no qua.
A tew.
I mean,
when you are something.
Ghana was like that.
Oh, Yamiadum. Yeah, you consider no motion no mutin. There'll be asked so much brain now motion. Your number one radio station, Adom.
Yeah.
106.3. Oh, Yamadi chase here. Na yesi ati asese ye dana sia dana sia wi ndu ye se fata se se ye as nipa no they say yenso ye
ko ba no so omo addition mo enchi omo tie DwasoNsem
yes oh DwasoNsem go ye nkwa o
but
DwasoNsem all over yeah but enchi for na page mo yes all over
enchi takwa you know western north
DwasoNsem woni asempa de mo ye no de ade se mutimi gibre eko region to region constituency to constituency na for say the nipa si estimasi mo nyene eno so ho pa because mo the skills bi ba na me nsi mo jaya na mo connect mo affiliate na mo no we adjuma
last year near co break into this year
it's fantastic mo betima sa adjuno kwa
the cross broadcasting no
mo am say mo physical mo presence they say inch say na wa be free inch beba no o ba appreciate say Ghana say ba bi wo ampa o ti hanum de bia I see you ti go here de
Kwabena Ghana ko say
no eno me catch you yasase uti ha
anu an yes
na wo kasa bebre you don't appreciate Ghana how we miamia ho do akobo inche din one of the last time akọ inche unimo mo how unim de ekoso de bia tika kire ya frefo na catch inche ya kwa anyo inche ye kokon wasemo na ye de go and have a feel of inche for nyomo mo fam ne bra mo bre entra enfo no do nwere
Kwabena minim hopa
wo no do nwere a ebi nwo what do I know where a don now I see you everywhere so okay inch asema inche one wo on tibia one ya resem one suku anu ne yakasa wo ye adwuma nya zotia inche fo tie pa om tie die what has been who pay back to the inche people who pay back adama inche fo na ne de wan
Kwabena bacho Ghana
ko say agi bre tie no wo ko hafo ye tie die na wo de bomb back one visit half pain there be what did Justice Sabako have pain? There be it's a Jumana Oyano or I say, please.
Kwabena Ghana ko saying.
I know nobody can hear winchi the enemy Yamawi. Yet was no. I feel the more better one my uniform in Fini baby, Ghana Mampayakasa. Na Wakasa Evi, and no soon just as a giant when you name. So I said on Wakaino. And no, the Emmy Decranis are frontiers for no more. A airport one or more GG a yesika
COVID test
demo so I
say free
because a lot of even in free a lot of question marks sir a front
test no sika
even
for airport
the frustration was just too much and then Nippon so Mampay that's anyway we saw this we saw this coming because now DwasoNsem now as I say obietum because you don't need any professional advice because now you down won call for na nkasa crowd so mo ban ko na do na bu agumo mo ye adwuma it's a now to response every border towns in Aba there's a lot of excitement already necessary Omanhene no my skills kakra it is a bia to musadia which means a business will spring up again we'll move into we appreciate and you done as a power say afraid official in what may be amanoma ebe adwuma there's a movie for nose mask by container 40 feet container too ya chia ya mo form e kana abefi
o de buy
ye be kwanim e kana abefi ye be
it is say o de buy den nose mask
me kwa doye Nsem a obusa say me kwa doye me ko osu children no jersey o na ko Nsem ye children no jersey
omo fanya den nose mask omo de
omo fa na omo de egu omo ti so pampa omo de na unu ya ho aka adwa mu o say yi na sire Aboda, and then we mood man ko yes, and my member kick and many kwasem kika.
Ghana Black Stars and Super Eagles of Nigeria.
I have to remain positive as a Ghanaian.
Yeah.
I was stadium Friday, you know, apart from certain defects be a buy and there was some bobo on we players nankasa. There was some bobo on we. But if we know what is at stake, your mom pies here Nigeria for no any there in the class somewhere. What is at stake, your preparations towards what is at stake, still not appreciated. So what I say. Now it's a ball come blaster come a day a change.
Yeah.
We know yeah per results there. But we know I feel na am I appointed be say as you could we need a soccer class or Black Star be or so what I say because AFCON performance all the to the umbo commerce big difference.
Yeah.
I am satisfied and not satisfied because per results. So the results is that you call World Cup. World Cup no CK between their brain, you be 11. You who say
and I know Wallace better Hanma no bubo.
As I say who say
me say
CK between their 11. It is who say such a project itimidi ahon kan ya ho ode na ebi bia de but I will not fault anybody for now, even though me I'm happy and not happy because we wanted results is that we needed to score these people ball there and be bia to miss anyway. I'm still hopeful as a Ghanaian per the performance of madana dey actually Kumasi Sports Stadium na no fiada no e kire say ye betimi ayere ye ho a qualify for the World Cup. There's no doubt about that. Say ekobase amasa mpo Mijili say if we are able to put this team together for the next 3-4 years, we can get close to a year. Senegal 92.
But no more
my place and we've been missing in action for a long time. Inti me dem Mijili say echirano onyame man nsaso na yakase onyame man nsaso a enchese Nigeria for omni nyame o. Onyame man nsaso no na de se fata se yenso ye wago pramano so no na ye taking our chances is very, very important. Timidi besia na maka se ene biribia da ho ofe be ne de ote waboji se ma no wati ni ye kama ama adanso chen na ano de na ne hu ye ntene de ayefe o wakanka se tika no won so ye dem
Kwabena Pacho Gillian on Facebook Gillian Bento or say CJ, good morning. I think menopause is disturbing Omanhene Kwabena Asante.
Oh.
He loves to drag issues.
Oh.
And
Jim FM 106.3.
Only day we are the family of the show. Papa pause.
How many times you coming here? That's it.